So what we have is a set of feet, two. Right, we have two keyhole brackets to fit on the van. We have a short 32mm section of aluminium, and we have a 1.5 metre section. Plus we have another extension of approximately 1.5 metres, which sits on the top of this, giving you an overall total of around 2.8 metres of height. Right, it comes with screws, caps, bolts, everything you need to assemble it. You can put it on a trunk, as in a camper trailer. You can put it on the side of a boat. You can put it on a motorhome. It's very lightweight and it's robust. These are actually all UV stable nylon tooled in Australia brackets. Using this section allows you to actually stand on the ground and adjust the direction of the antenna. You don't have to climb up to the mast. Yeah, we just call it a quick release really.